Moo Cow on location, he's travelling round the world. Moo Cow on location, finding lots of sound. Moo!
Hello and welcome to Moo Cow Phonics on location. I'm Lydia and this is Moo Cow. Say hello, Moo Cow.
Hello, Moo Cow.
Today we have come to our local park.
Yay! I love the park.
We are going to try and search for things in the park that have these sounds in.
Yay! I like a challenge.
Let's go and see what we can find. In this video, Moo Cow is looking for words that have these sounds at the beginning. Sw, sl, cl, fr, tr, br, gr and fl. Let's see what he can find. Moo Cow has found a swing. Swing starts with the two sounds s and w, which make the sw at the beginning. S, w, I, swing. Now Moo Cow is going to whiz down the slide. That looks like fun, Moo Cow. Slide starts with s and ul. Sl, s, ul, I, d. Slide. Now Moo Cow is on a climbing frame. Climbing frame actually has two of the sounds we are looking for. Climbing starts with cl, climbing, and frame starts with fr, frame. Well done, Moo Cow. Moo Cow has found a tree. Wow, that's a huge tree, Moo Cow. Tree starts with a t and an which make tr, t, e, tree. Great job, Moo Cow. Moo Cow has found a wooden horse, which is the colour brown. Very clever, Moo Cow. And brown has a br sound at the beginning of the word. B, ow, brown. Now Moo Cow has found some grass. Moo Cow loves grass. The g and at the beginning make a gr sound when we put them together. Some people say grass, g, s, but I say it as grass. And Moo Cow has found some lovely daffodils, which are flowers. Flowers starts with a f and an ul, fl, the last sound we're looking for. F, ow, s, flowers. Excellent, Moo Cow. Well done, Moo Cow. You found all the sounds in the park.
Yes, I did, and I had lots of fun.
Oh, I'm glad you had fun, Moo Cow. See what sounds you can find in your local park. We hope you enjoyed this video and we'll see you next time. Say bye, Moo Cow.
Bye.
Bye.
Moo Cow on location, he's travelling round the world. Moo Cow on location, finding lots of sound.
Moo.